How to return products in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz, then log into your account. Next, navigate to the My Order section from the home page and select the product you want to return. If the item was purchased directly from a seller, you need to contact the seller and discuss the return. Explain the reason for your return and arrange a meeting or delivery method. Uzum Market doesn't take part in the negotiations between you and the seller. For products delivered by the seller, you can return the order within 10 days, but you must return all items from that seller at once. For example, if the seller sent 2 t-shirts, you cannot keep one and return the order. You need to return both. If the product doesn't fit you or you simply don't like it, you can handle the return yourself and cover the cost. If the product is defective, the seller will pay for the return. Not all items are eligible for return, so make sure to check the product page for return availability. Returning a product ensures you can get a refund or replacement efficiently and helps maintain a smooth shopping experience. Now you know how to return products in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.